Okay, guess what I'm doing? My car on jack, tire remote, I'm changing light bulb. Not really light bulb, I think my ballast went out, because light bulb starts by itself, but in few seconds it's turning off. Sometimes it's blinking, and also I have some electrical code when I'm scanning, like for, I'll post it later, I don't remember, in general circuit. So to remove, I check online, some guys did, you have to remove this liner to get access to this headlight. For other small light bulbs you can access from the hood, but for the main light and for ballast you have to open this. So remove the tire, I remove these two screws. I have to pull out this liner. Let's see. Okay, you have also a few pins over here on the top. I don't want to remove whole part, I just want to try to pull one side. I couldn't remove this 3 bolts, it's too rusty. So I had to unscrew it under over here on the top. 2 of them already broken. So be careful with this. Only one I got nicely. So I'm pulling out this whole part. That's not what I thought, because when you pull even at least like this, you have access to this light, but headlight all the way on top. I can see even this ballast, I think. So why I have to replace, I think it's get wet and I have some kind of short over there. But this is really small access here. Probably have to remove everything around here. Oh my god, guys, who designed this vehicle? It's disaster. So I didn't remove other side, so I had one more screw over here and just pull it this way. So already broke a little bit. So here's the access. You can see this should be enough. Okay, here you go. Here's your light bulb. Okay, you open the cup and you change it. Where is this ballast? Ballast is right over there, and still you don't have even access to this because of this metal piece. Let me try to unplug it. This is 2014. Look how everything is rusty here. This is the piece of metal over here behind. That's why I cannot remove anything. Look at this. Done. So, and I broke the bolt like this. So be careful. Probably you're gonna break it too. Make this design is a genius. Look, I have to. This connector for headlight. This connector over here is for ballast. You have to push something over here to pull the wires, but because of this beautiful piece you have no access at all. What, should I remove it or what? It's holding the bumper or what? Sorry, no flashlight. So you see what I'm talking about. This is connector, and here you have to push the pin to pull the connector. Also, it's like you almost have no access to with screwdriver to remove this crap. Sorry, no flashlight because my battery low. Okay, charge my battery a little bit better. This is the ballast. Maybe I can have access 1, 2, 3 screws and have to remove this connector. But this piece is really on my way. What I'm trying to do, here's 2 bolts over here. How to focus it? I cannot focus. Okay, so I'm trying to remove. Here's two bolts, 10mm bolts, over here and over here, to just pull out this metal piece, and then it's gonna be much easy access. You see, that's how it look. Maybe not needed, but I will try. Okay, also I try to remove one screw over here and another screw over here, but it's maybe possible, but it's wrong angle. It's coming out, so maybe I don't have to remove this piece. I already lose it, you see. So if you remove maybe another that screw, maybe I'll do it. It will be much easier access. Okay, now I pull this crap down. Woo. You see that I have more access here. Okay, it was easy to remove this. Now I'm pulling down this ballast. Okay, here's another connector here. Shit. This ballast look good. Not sure if it's problem with this one or it's just simply a light bulb. Let's see. This ballast look okay for me, like visually. I opened this, it's no damage inside, no water, nothing. Like as I'm already there, I'm gonna put another one and we'll see if it's problem with ballast or just light bulb. Okay, put everything back, connected. Now I'm gonna try if it's gonna work. It's working, I think, but it's not different color. I don't know. I think I'm going to replace light bulb too, as I'm already there, but because it's something wrong. It's not working as other side. You can see some light, but it's not that. Now it's gonna be another story, how to replace this light bulb. Okay, over there I see one screw on the top. Probably unscrew and pull this metal spring here. So it's not completely like clear. I think something wrong with this. I just got on AutoZone, new one, $105, hit xenon. So let me open this. So on the right side is new one. You can see slight difference, right? Hopefully this is the problem. Maybe something wrong with the light bulb. Okay, let's install it. I'm still not sure how this piece gonna work. How to attach it correctly. Okay guys, my fault. So when you remove light bulbs, I think you have to pull out this. You have to twist it. I'm not sure what direction. Twist it and pull it out, and then you have access to the light bulb. Pay attention how it's done. This is new one because I did it wrong way. So I think you have to release the screw on the top, pull the spring out, just like press it on two sides, from the left and the right, like this, and pull it down. And then when you install light bulb, the same, you tie the screw, put the spring, tie the screw on the top, and then squeeze it and push it inside. So this is the position you need, I think. And now I'm going to attach this one. I don't know if it's gonna... Oh, okay. So I had position like this. To the right, counterclockwise, and then pull it down. Okay, so the same, you attaching like this. You an angle and pull it, turn it down, and it stays good. So I think that's it. I'm gonna put this cover now and see if it's anything's gonna work on my car at all. Today is crazy weather, it's raining so bad, but I have a trip tonight, so I have to go. Woo. Like on the beach. Okay, oh shit, don't forget to put these wires back. So this video is gonna be helpful, maybe, for someone who has to replace this ballast or light bulbs. Okay, for light bulbs you don't need, of course, this work done, but it's still, you see how small access you have? Not much. Okay, I think I have a light, let's see. One, another one. Okay guys, so I had a problem with the light bulb. So what was the problem? I realized that, like, when you start car it's working, when you drive a little bit, then you park and start again, it doesn't light up. And just yesterday I had like it's light up, stay for 10 seconds and then turn it off. So this is the deal. Hope you enjoyed my stupid video, but at least maybe helpful for someone. Good luck.